Hello everyone. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, you're most definitely welcomed. And if you're a returning subscriber, a million kisses. Thank you for coming. Thank you because you keep coming. I really do appreciate the love and the concern. Thank you so much. I am grateful to you all. So today we want to do this is it crazy afro, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. I don't know the name. I really do not know the name. Maybe crazy or afro wig. Yeah, and I got this from multi expression multi hair. Now I'll tell you a little bit about this hair. I like it because I've done a similar wig before with the expression braiding hair. The downside with that one is that it gets tangled with time, like a short while. After a short while it gets tangled, but with multi hair, the hair seems like it's strong to the touch or something, but it maintains its curls and it doesn't get tangled so fast. It doesn't get entangled so fast. You can use it for a long while before it's going to get completely bad. So that is why I love it, for the fact that it maintains its curls. It doesn't get tangled so fast. So that is that about multi hair. And this wig I really do love, and it's so easy to achieve. You're going to see it in the video. If you stay tuned with me, of course, you're going to see how easy it is. You can do this. You can make it longer. I cut the multi hair into 3 and into 4. If you want it longer, you could just cut it into 2 and it's going to be longer, maybe like 8 inches or so. And if you want it super long, maybe 14 inches, you could use the whole strand. Then you're going to be using maybe 2.5 to 3 packs. But this one is just 1 pack of the multi hair. What I have on is just 1 pack of the multi hair. I just wanted it really short, just like afro. Like, you could make it longer, you could make it just a little bit longer than this, and you could make it shorter too. If you really want it really short, you could do it. So I don't know how that's going to turn out, but this is this, and you see, I love it. It turned out so well. So thank you for staying tuned with me. Please stay here, watch, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, recommend my videos to your friends. Please, I count on your support, and please do help me to watch the ads that pop up, please. Thank you so much for coming. Now let us get straight into the tutorial. Ciao.